May libreng car wash, oh. Ayan guys, oh, libreng car wash. Libreng car wash. Ayan guys, ang libreng car wash. May libreng car wash, ah. Finally, nandito na si Mandol. The wait is over. Sir, eto na si Mandol daw po. Sir Rico and family. All the way from Batangas City going here to Toyota Marikina. Yes, Mandol. Sister, thank you for great service and assistance, Sister Diana Esquera of Toyota Marikina. Ayan, si Sister Diana.